let us discuss about the tribal community. As usually we know that the main what is a word tribal, is it? This word tribal is derived from the Latin word tribus. What is the word tribal is derived from the Latin word tribus. In the olden days, we can see that the Rome and Greek people are used this word to indicate the people who live in the Latium district. Understand? So, they used the word tribus. So, in the Kittel dictionary, it gives the meaning for the tribes, likewise the clan or family. Understand? But it is a family or clan. What is the meaning of family? We know that already. Then what is the meaning of clan? Clan means the caste. It's what is nearest meaning is a caste, jati, is it? So this is called, according to the Kittel dictionary, the meaning of tribe is clan or family. Then generally we can understand that the meaning of what is tribal community, in a sense the group of clan live in kinship is called what is a tribal community. In the sense, the clan, in the sense the same caste people live with kinship. Live with kinship in the sense, live in kinship in the sense those people, kinship means relationship, is it? So, blood relation. Kinship means blood relation. So, these what it is caste people, in the same caste people with the blood relations of the people who have this type of the community is called the tribal community. Then we call this community in the many more name. In the Kannada we call the what it is Budakattu, is it? Adivasi, Girijana, is it? So likewise we can call in a many more name, is it? And Vanyavasi, it is likewise we can call these people. Then, according to the Royal Anthropological Institution of London, what is the Royal Anthropological Institution of the London? It gives definition to the tribal community. It means it defines the tribal community like a group which live in a particular geographical area, a group which live in a particular geographical area and have their own social and political, cultural administration. In the sense, a group of the people living in a particular area, and those peoples who living in a particular area, those peoples have their own culture, administration, politics. So all these have their own is called the tribal community. Understand? On the basis of physical character, here this anthropological institution is divide this tribe into the three parts. Okay, so what are those? First one is the Caucasian, is it? What are the physical characters of this Caucasian? These people are white in color. What is these people are white in color? Tall, long, straight, short nose. Understand? Those people have the long, straight, short nose. Then afterwards the bent head. Afterwards the straight cheek and elongated face they have. Understand? White in color and very short nose, then afterwards the bent head, straight cheeks and elongated face we can see. The sense of straight face, long face we can see here. And the small lips and long hairs those people have. These people live in the countries like, places like the Europe, North South America, then Palestine, Asia and Iran, Balochistan and also the Northern India. In these places we can see that Caucasian type of the tribal community. Then afterwards the sub tribes on this Caucasian we can call that what is Nordic, Alpine, Mediterranean and Hindus. Then the next type of the tribal community, that is the Mongolian. As the Mongolian specially, those peoples are yellow in color, round head, curved eye, then flat and round face. Then afterwards straight and long hairs those people have. Then these people we can see in the Asian countries, then Malay Peninsula, then Island and America. In these places we can see that. So those people are called in these places like the Mongolian, then afterwards the Malaysian and also the American Indian. Understand? So subtribes, in a sense, these tribes are called in these countries like the Mongolian, Malaysian, and also the American Indian. Then last is the Negro peoples. Yes, Negro peoples are black in color and small lips, curved hair, brown eye. These are the physical characteristics of the Negroes. Then Negro is the third type of the tribal community. We can see this type of the people in the areas likewise Africa, Australia and India. Is it in North India? In these places we can see that this type of the Negro people. Yes, let us move for the next topic. What are the characteristics of the tribal community? Then how we divided tribal people in our country. The many tribal live in our India. We divided those people into the three zones: northeast zone, afterwards the central zone and southern zone. Yes, here we divide the northern zone in the Himalayan region. So those peoples of Naga and sub-tribes. Naga sub-tribes are Konak, Regana, afterwards Segma, then Aho, Angama, Lohta, then Pome, Chenga, Kabola, Kuki, then Kuki is also one of the tribe. So Kabola is a sub-tribe of the Naga. Then afterwards from the Kuki is one of the tribe. So sub-tribe of the Kuki is called the Lukshmi, Lakera, then Chinese, Kushi, Gora, then Kachari, then Lepcha, Bhutia, Rabha, then afterwards Taro, Karso and Chini. These are the sub-tribes of the Naga and Kuki. Then next is the central zone. So central zone, it is belonging to the West Bengal, Orissa, Bihar and Rajasthan, and afterwards the southern part of the Uttar Pradesh. Then likewise and northern part of the Madhya Pradesh. So in these places we can see this type of the some tribal people. So what are those as sub-tribals like the Santalas, Munda, Uruva, then Bhumija, Koya, Kodla, Lodha, then Sapura and Juvinga and Kunda, then Korako and Gonda and also the Birahara, then Kola and Malero. So these are the sub-tribes, we can see them. Then more likewise the Asura, Boga, afterwards the Pradhan, then Birizum, then Aghairo, then Hill and Maria and Bison also. These are all the belongings to the central zone. Then next is the southern zone. In the southern zone we can see that the in Karnataka, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, then Kerala, Tamil Nadu. In these places many more tribes we can see. So those are Chanchu, then Toda and Bada, Kota, Panihan, Irula, then Kuramana, then Kurumba, Gonda and Rajaganda, Soliga, Kadukuruba, Jenukuruba and Koraga, Hasala, then Yaraba, then Danagara, then Gauli and Kadugolla, Halaki. Is it? So likewise we can see the many more many types of the tribes live in our country. Understand? It is in the southern part of the India. Yes, well dear children, let us discuss about the characteristics of tribal community. First one is the simple and self-contained. Yes, these people they live their life very simple and afterwards and self-contained also. Then next is worship of nature. So those people living in the invisible forces like the air and also the many things, like they are believing in the black magic also. Then they worship the water, stone, then sun, moon, then afterwards the trees and earth. So they worship the nature. Then loyal to community and unity. Is the rule of the tribal community is all for one and one for all. They have the greatest strength in the community. Then next is equality and independence to women. So they gives a lot of independence and equality to women also. Then endogamous marriages. Endogamous marriages, it means the those peoples are get marriage in their what it is group only. In the sense, what can we see that Santalas married the Santalas only, Gondas married the Gondas only. There are not get married by the other tribal community. In the sense, Valapangada Vivaha anta. In the sense, ಗೊಂಡರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊಂಡ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ಟ್ರೈಬಲ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ. ಈ ಗೊಂಡ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಪುರುಷ ಮತ್ತು ಮಹಿಳೆಯರನ್ನ ವಿವಾಹ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಪುರುಷ ಒಬ್ಬ ಮಹಿಳೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಪುರುಷನನ್ನ ವಿವಾಹ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ಹೊರತು ಅವರು ಬೇರೆ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಟ್ರೈಬ್ ನ ಮದ್ವೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಸೋಲಿಗರನ್ನೇ ಮದ್ವೆ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದರ ಹೊರತಾಗಿ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಕಾಡು ಕುರುಬ, ಜೇನು ಕುರುಬ, ಹಾಲಕ್ಕಿ ಇವರು ವಿವಾಹ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಪಂಗಡದ ಒಳಗಡೆ ತಮ್ಮ ಟ್ರೈಬ್ ನ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇವರು ವಿವಾಹವಾಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಎಂಡೋಗಮಿಯಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾರೇಜಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಎಸ್ ದೆನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ unique and different mother tongue. So how many tribes we can see there, no? So all these tribal peoples have their own mother tongue, but these all what is mother tongue are not in the written form. Yes, there is a economic system. These people have their own economic system. Yes, they are all hunting and gathering system they have. Afterwards, they produce the forest production. We can see that afterwards what in on the trees and what are the things available, they do their own agriculture. Understand? In a sense, ಆ ಪ್ರದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಲಭ್ಯ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಏನು ಬೆಳಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ತರದ ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ನ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರೈಬಲ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ.